Alright, so getting into the unboxing now, this is what it looks like when you purchase your new Hero 7 White Edition. Got your specs on the side here, just a picture of the back, full display of the GoPro, like they always have done in years past. And I really like the design on this one. The last GoPro I had the screen right here to kind of monitor what you were doing, but it lacked this 2-inch touchscreen on the back here, which I really like this because on the old editions it had Wi-Fi enabled, but you'd have to have a smartphone app or upload directly to your computer, which could kind of be a pain for some people. But yeah, let's go ahead and get in here and see what it is all about. So you got a pull tab on the bottom here. Just go ahead and pull that open. Slide this out, and it's one piece, huh? Wouldn't have guessed. Alright, so it looks like this is mounted on top here, I guess. I'm not going to try and break that off. So let's see what we got in the box here. Looks like we got damage replacement and cloud backup, if that's something you're into. You get 2 nice GoPro stickers. Oh, those look nicer than the old ones. And of course your handy dandy safety manual. Let's see what else we got in here. They give you a adhesive stamp clip, whatever you want to call it. Oh, they give you 2 of them. That's nice. So you got your charging port, and unlike the old ones, these are equipped with USB-C charging capabilities. So you get one of those. And that is all in the box. So let's see if we can go ahead and get this thing off of here and take a look at it. Alright, so here is the camera itself. I went ahead and took it off of its nice handy dandy little stand here. And something I noticed right off the bat about this camera compared to the previous generations, one is that it doesn't come with the super protective case. It just comes with this one. And one of the selling points that the lady trying to sell this one to me was making when I said I wanted to be using it for extreme sports was getting a warranty. I was like, well, it's a GoPro, isn't it supposed to withstand things? And then I realized that it doesn't have the full protective case like the old Heroes used to come with. It just kind of comes with the frame case. And one of the things I noticed right off the bat about this frame case, it's kind of cheaply made. Like the old one, it would have the clip right here and you kind of popped it. This one you kind of have to really get in there, and it kind of sounds like it's breaking when it comes off. I don't know, just something I noticed there right off the bat. So anyway, you open this up, you got your nice GoPro Hero 7 White Edition. Get a nice view of every angle here. There we go. Let's go ahead and take this sticker off. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. I like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and turn this thing on and see what we can do. And we'll talk about some features on this nice Hero 7. One thing I did forget to point out is here on the side is where you're going to have your connections and your micro SD input. And this thing is really kind of difficult because it's waterproof. So it's kind of difficult to get that latch undone. But anyway, that's where your charging port goes. Like I said, it's the USB-C. So it can go in there both directions. And then you can see here's where your micro SD will go. And then you just kind of latch it up like that. So after powering on the GoPro, I was confronted with what seemed to me like a pretty lengthy updating process as far as being forced to download the app onto your mobile phone, which is something you never had to do, and then also having to update the software, which took about 5 to 10 minutes. But nonetheless, the camera is all set up and updated now, and I just want to run down some of the features for y'all. So on the camera, like I said earlier, you have a 2-inch touch display on the back of the camera, which allows you to adjust your settings and view the images or videos that you've already taken. On the front of the camera, for the white edition, it is a 10 megapixel camera that is recording 1080p HD at 60 FPS. It is waterproof up to 33 feet, which is 10 meters, and it is also Wi-Fi enabled and voice control enabled. I don't know if it is, I don't know what the shock resistant is, if it is or not. I don't know if that's something that you'd have to have the more durable case for, or if this one works fine or not. I'm not sure about that, but yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know some of the specs, and now I'm going to show you some of the settings on this camera. Alright, so after you have updated your GoPro and set it up with the Wi-Fi connected to your app on your phone, it then gives you access to your 2-inch touch display. Up here in the corner, it shows you how much storage you have left. Up in this corner over here, it shows you your battery life. And down here is a little information slide bar, and you can slide it to the right or the left and it'll change your settings. It was on time lapse there, now it's on video. And you have your 15 short clips on, 15 seconds, and you can change it to 30 as well. Your slow motion capability, and there's that slide bar again, and then you can slide it again and it goes over to photo mode. And then from here you can set up, I believe that's multiple picture taking, your timer, you set your photo timer, and your slide bar again. Now if you slide down from the top, that gives you more options. Let me see if I can get it to camera stop recording, but yeah, I can't get it to focus. But all the way over here, this is your voice control enabler. This right here is to turn your camera beeps off. This right here is quick capture off, and what quick capture is you can turn on the phone, just hit the button, and or you can turn on the camera, hit the button, and it starts recording. You can turn that on or off if you'd like. And the last button there is to lock it out. Now that's pretty much all that there is as far as settings and functionality on the camera. And yeah.